Welcome. Today, we're exploring the manufacturing and control of homeopathic medicines. Dr. S.K. Singh, an expert in this field, will guide us through the key processes and quality measures that ensure these medicines are both safe and effective. Let's dive into this fascinating intersection of science and healing. Let's start by understanding what homeopathic medicines really are. They're made from a wide range of sources: plants, minerals, animals, biological materials, and even chemical substances. The process to prepare these medicines is quite detailed. It begins with making a mother tincture, then triturating substances that don't dissolve easily, followed by potentization, which is a careful series of dilutions and shaking. Finally, the medicine is prepared in its dosage form. All of this is guided by specific regulations, including the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India, WHO Guidelines, and India's Drugs and Cosmetics Act, along with good manufacturing practices. Let's walk through the manufacturing process flow step by step. It all starts with selecting the right raw materials, the foundation of everything that follows. Then comes authentication and quality testing, making sure we're working with exactly what we need. Next, we prepare the mother tincture, which is carefully potentized and diluted. After that, the dosage form is manufactured, filled, and packaged. Finally, rigorous quality control ensures the finished product is ready for release. Each step builds on the last, creating a seamless journey from start to finish. When we talk about raw material control, it's all about ensuring quality from the very start. For animal materials, that means sourcing from disease-free animals, backed by veterinary certification and full traceability. We test for identity, purity, moisture, foreign matter, and microbial limits, all critical quality attributes. For plant materials, it's about authenticating the botanic source, harvesting at the right season, and confirming there are no pesticides. We also check minerals for purity, heavy metals, and identity confirmation. This foundation sets everything else up for success. Let's take a closer look at how mother tinctures are made, using calendula as an example. We start with fresh plants, which we extract using a carefully balanced ethanol water mix. The process includes controlled maceration, that's soaking the plant material for just the right amount of time, followed by filtration to remove solids. Quality testing ensures everything meets standards. Critical steps include identifying raw materials, controlling extraction time, and storing the final tincture in amber containers to protect it. Key parameters like alcohol strength and temperature are closely monitored throughout. Now let's dive into manufacturing controls, the backbone of quality and safety in production. We start with GMP controls, including equipment qualification, which breaks down into installation, operational, and performance checks. Cleaning validation, environmental and water quality monitoring, and alcohol testing all ensure the process stays clean and consistent. Personnel hygiene and line clearance prevent contamination. Potentization relies on two main dilution methods: the decimal scale, a 1:10 ratio, and the centesimal scale, 1:100. Each step includes succussion, a precise number of strokes, and proper labeling. Critical controls focus on accurate dilution, dedicated containers, contamination prevention, and full traceability. These steps keep everything reliable and transparent. When it comes to regulatory compliance, there's a lot to keep track of. We start with GMP requirements, good manufacturing practices that set the foundation. Documentation and strict SOP compliance keep everything transparent and consistent. Equipment calibration and validation ensure accuracy, while training builds the right skills. Managing deviations, CAPA, and change control help us stay on course. Data integrity, following ALCOA plus principles, is critical. Then, inspection readiness means we're always prepared. Quality control tests cover raw materials, in-process checks, and finished product testing, all to guarantee safety and quality every step of the way. Let's take a look at some of the latest innovations shaping manufacturing today. We're seeing digital batch records and AI-powered monitoring tools that keep processes sharp and efficient. Automation is stepping up, with systems handling potentization and quality management electronically. Traceability is tighter than ever, thanks to barcodes and IoT sensors tracking materials and environments in real time. Sustainability is also front and center, with green solvent recovery and energy-saving methods gaining ground. Alongside these advances, managing risks remains crucial, from raw material authentication to preventing contamination, all supported by smart controls and strict protocols. When we talk about the quality of homeopathic medicine, it's about more than just patentization. It starts with using authenticated raw materials and making sure the mother tincture is prepared consistently. Accurate patentization is key. It's what makes manufacturing reproducible. But that's not all. Good manufacturing practices, strong quality control, and validated processes are essential throughout the product's entire life cycle. Documentation and data integrity keep us ready for inspections. And by adopting digital technologies, we can boost efficiency, traceability, and overall quality. Thanks for joining me today. If you want to explore this further or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I appreciate your time and attention, and I look forward to continuing the conversation. Thank you. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.